Life is full of twists and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Twists and turns, twists and turns. We are the children of God. Twists and turns, twists and turns. Life is full of twists and turns. Smadu.
Hello children, I'm Teacher Grace, and in our hygiene lesson today we are going to learn about cleaning of fruits. Cleaning of fruits. But before we start our lesson, I want us to stand and sing a song. This is how we clean fruit. This is how we clean fruit. Using running water. Using running water. Wash fruits before eating. Wash fruits before eating. Dirty fruits make us ill. Dirty fruits make us ill. This is how we wash fruit. This is how we wash fruit. Using running water. Using running water. Wash fruits before eating. Wash fruits before eating. Dirty fruits make us ill. Dirty fruits make us ill. Dirty fruits make us ill. Now, in our today's lesson, we are going to learn about cleaning of fruits. I know you know types of fruits. Can you tell me the types of fruits you know? Yes, we have a fruit like banana. Another fruit like apples, oranges, watermelon, watermelon. Another fruits we have like pawpaw. Another fruit we have like pineapple. Those are types of fruits we have. Now, before you eat these fruits, we are supposed to wash them, or you clean the fruits before you eat. Now, some fruits come from our place. Some fruits, they come from our place. So, some fruits comes from our place. Some fruits comes from our place, and our place is called locality. Our place is called locality. Our place is called locality. So some fruits, they come from our place, and our place is called locality. Now, there are types. Now, before we eat these fruits, we are supposed to wash them with clean water, and you wash them with running water. Always wash fruits with running water. And you should wash before you eat. Wash fruits before you eat. Wash fruits before you eat. So, always wash fruits with running water. And the types of fruits are banana, watermelon, apples, pawpaw, oranges, and pineapple. So, before you eat these fruits, you're supposed to wash them with running water. Always, before you eat any fruit, make sure you wash the fruits. Now, we have types of bad fruits. Types of bad fruits. The fruits that you are not supposed to eat. We have types of bad fruits. Like for example, we have unripe fruits. Unripe fruits. Unripe fruits. You are not supposed to eat those fruits that are not ripe. So you're supposed to eat the ones that are ripe. Unripe, they are not yet ready for eating. So don't eat these unripe fruits. Another bad type of fruits is rotten fruits. Rotten. rotten fruits. Rotten fruits. You're not supposed to eat rotten fruits because rotten is when food has gone bad. When food is bad. That one is called rotten. It is when food has gone bad. So you're not supposed to eat rotten fruits because when you eat rotten, you have stomach ache. So don't eat these rotten fruits. Another type of bad fruits is fruits with dirty skin. Fruits with dirty skin. You're not supposed to eat those fruits that they have dirty skin. They are not good because when you eat them, you have stomach problems. So you're not supposed to eat fruits with dirty skin. Another one, it is fruits without color. Another type of bad fruit is fruits without color. Fruits without color. Those are bad fruits because fruits without color, it shows that that fruit is not ripe. So you're supposed to eat the fruit that have color so that you can eat a sweet fruit. So when you eat fruits without color, they are not yet ripe. Those are types of bad fruits. The first one is unripe fruits, rotten fruits, fruits with dirty skin, and fruits without color. Why do you clean or wash fruits before eating? Dirty fruits make us ill. Dirty fruits make us ill. Dirty fruits make us ill. So you're supposed to wash fruits before eating because dirty fruits make us ill. And we say wash fruits before eating. You should wash fruits before eating. Wash fruits before eating. And you should wash them with running water. Always wash fruits with running water. Are we together, children? So before you eat any fruit, make sure you use running water and you wash it well before you eat. And when you do that, you'll be healthy. Until next time, children, bye-bye for now.